There have been a great deal of endeavors to make the ideal move to procure application, however up until this point, none have figured out how to break into the standard. Stepn, a Web3 running application with gaming and social components on the Solana blockchain, anticipates evolving that. Stepn utilizes a double symbolic framework. The first green Satoshi token, or GST, is a utility game token, and the subsequent one green metaverse token, or GMT, is an administration token. The last option is the digital currency we will be checking out in this cost gauge. If it's not too much trouble, note that our GMT token cost expectation doesn't comprise venture guidance. Kindly consistently do your own exploration prior to putting resources into any digital money. What is Green Metaverse Token? Green Metaverse Token, GMT, is the administration badge of a wellness application called Stepn. Its primary objective is to energize a sound way of life and advance eco-kind disposition. The application permits clients to procure compensations for moving around outside when they prepare their NFT tennis shoes. At the hour of compassing, it was one of the most well-known wellness applications on both Google Play and the App Store. Stepn offers an entire large number of highlights that are pointed toward giving a consistent encounter to both crypto specialists and novices. The application contains a whole environment of digital currency-related items that will permit newbies to draw in with Stepn without downloading any extra applications. There is an in-fabricated wallet, a commercial center, a trade administration, and that's only the tip of the iceberg. Furthermore, what separates Stepn is its emphasis on intelligence and in-application gamification. For instance, clients can step up their NFT shoes and mint shoes. There are likewise numerous social intelligence choices. The GMT token is basically utilized for administration purposes inside the Stepn application. It can likewise be scorched to get to certain highlights like tennis shoe redesigns. At last, it is likewise used to decide on choices concerning the dispersion of marking rewards. GMT Verifiable Value Investigation. As GMT is as yet a moderately new digital money, it's challenging to foresee the future value patterns of this token. Be that as it may, taking a gander at verifiable information can give us some knowledge into how GMT might act from now on. In light of past execution, we can accept that the cost of GMT will keep on ascending over the long run as additional clients start utilizing this stage. The GMT token has proactively had a couple high points and low points since its IDO in WOC 2022, and its market cap is presently found immovably inside the best 100 on CMC. The cost of the GMT token has topped at $4.11. Stepn Value Expectation 2023. As per the specialized examination of Stepn costs expected in 2023, the base expense of Stepn will be $0.469953. The greatest level that the GMT cost can reach is $0.559944. The typical exchanging cost is normal around $0.489951. GMT value gauge for WOC 2023, in view of the value vacillations of Stepn toward the start of 2023. Crypto specialists expect the typical GMT pace of $0.369963 in WOC 2023. Its base and most extreme costs can be anticipated at $0.339966 and at $0.379962 individually. April 2023, Stepn Value Estimate. Digital currency specialists are prepared to report their gauge for the GMT cost in April 2023. The base exchanging cost may be $0.359964, while the greatest could reach $0.39996 during this month. Overall, it is normal that the worth of Stepn may be around $0.379962. GMT Value Estimate for May 2023. Crypto experts have really looked at the value changes of Stepn in 2023 and in earlier years, so the normal GMT rate they anticipate may be around $0.389961 in May 2023. It can drop to $0.379962 as a base. The most extreme worth may be $0.419958. June 2023, Stepn value figure around mid-year 2023. the GMT cost will be exchanged at $0.409959 by and large. June 2023 could likewise observe an expansion in the STEPN worth to $0.429957. It is expected that the cost won't drop lower than $0.399996 in June 2023. GMT value gauge for July 2023. Crypto specialists have dissected STEPN costs in 2023, so they are prepared to give their assessed exchanging normal to July 2023 $0.419958. The most reduced and top GMT rates may be $0.399996 and $0.449955. August 2023, STEPN value estimate. Crypto experts expect that toward the finish of summer 2023, the GMT cost will be around $0.439956. In August 2023, the STEPN cost might drop to at least $0.419958. The normal pinnacle worth may be $0.469953 in August 2023. GMT value estimate for September 2023. Having broke down STEPN costs, cryptographic money specialists expect that the GMT rate could arrive at a limit of $0.489951 in September 2023. It may, in any case, drop to $0.429957. For September 2023, the determined normal of STEPN is almost $0.449955. October 2023, STEPN value figure around mid-2023. The STEPN cost will be exchanged at the typical degree of $0.459954. Crypto examiners expect that in October 2023, the GMT cost could vacillate somewhere in the range of $0.439956 and $0.509949. GMT value gauge for November 2023. Market specialists expect that in November 2023, the STEPN worth won't dip under at least $0.459954. The greatest pinnacle expected for the current month is $0.539946. The assessed typical exchanging worth will be at the degree of $0.479952. December 2023, STEPN value figure. Digital money specialists have painstakingly examined the scope of GMT costs all through 2023. For December 2023, their figure is the accompanying. The most extreme exchanging worth of STEPN will be around $0.559944, with a chance of dropping to at least $0.469953. In December 2023, the normal expense will be $0.489951. STEPN value expectation 2024. After the examination of the costs of STEPN in earlier years, it is accepted that in 2024, the base cost of STEPN will be around $0.639936. The greatest expected GMT cost might be around $0.819918. Overall, the exchanging cost may be $0.669933 in 2024. STEPN value forecast 2025. In view of the specialized examination by digital